Finally, '04 Rich. This better qualify as '04 Rich. I mean, it's a '06, but it's from the '04 Rich era. Same body style, so I better qualify as '04 Rich, man. I've been wanting one of these since I was a kid. I grew up in '96, played Midnight Club, Need for Speed, all the iconic games. The Escalade was always in those video games, man. I've been wanting one of these forever, and I never thought I would be able to own one, and here we are. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. We are recording on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. 4K 30 frames per second is my settings. So it's my first time recording on this phone. Let's see how it goes. Ooh, turn the camera around. We ain't got no gimbal, no stabilizer, just the phone. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. I'm trying a new approach on my YouTube videos where I just shoot it and upload it the same day, because I've filmed so much content in the past months, in the past year, and I take forever to edit and upload it. So I'm just gonna shoot and upload from the get-go. If you're watching this video today, I filmed it earlier today. So welcome to another YouTube video. I'm showing you guys my 2006 Cadillac Escalade in the beautiful pearl white color, mostly all original truck. As you can see behind me, we have a 240SX, Nissan 240SX. This is definitely not an original vehicle. This is a 92 240SX coupe with a swapped KA24DE from an S14. Coilovers, 3-piece wheels, custom built wheels, custom widened quarter panels, half cage. If you watched my YouTube videos before, you know my YouTube videos about cars are never about one specific car. I always throw in whatever we are working on and whatever we have at the moment. You always see things pop up in my YouTube videos. So if you like other cars and other stuff, older cars, 90s, 2000s, 2010s, 2020s, everything, I'm always filming different stuff. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out more of my YouTube videos. Check this out. That Beetle's probably been in there for a few years, because when I picked this car up, it was sitting for years, and I haven't touched that Beetle or taken him out. But I'll probably take him out, and I'll probably dig him a grave and give him a proper burial, because he deserves to be in a proper burial and not in a speaker tray of a Nissan 240SX that some kid is probably gonna take and crash. But all right, let's get back to the 2006 Cadillac Escalade, guys. Check this thing out. It's beautiful. It's rigid. It's square. It's iconic. It's fucking amazing. I can't believe I have an Escalade. Check this thing out, man. That paint is original paint. It's like got that texture to it, you know what I mean? It's like a 2-stage. It's got like the pearl, and then it's got the base coat, but it's just got like a kind of like a textured look to it. This is it. I'm gonna hang on to this thing for a while. Whoever did the maintenance on it last, the tire shop, they put nice tires in the rear to the Bridgestone Dueler ATs. I like that look, but they put highway tires in the front, and Michelin, not even Bridgestone. So I'm gonna get the Dueler AT tires on the front to match the rears. I don't know if I'm gonna level it out yet with a 2.5-inch leveling kit, 3-inch or 2.5-inch in the front, 1 in the rear. I might not, because it honestly has some decent clearance on it for being stock, and I don't want it to be too tall. But I might remove the running boards, because they make it look a bit bloated, so I'm gonna get rid of those. But there you go, iconic Escalade front end. Super nice condition. It's got the fog lights. Love that it has the recovery hooks on it. That's pretty nice. It reminds you that it's a truck. It reminds you that it's like a Silverado Tahoe chassis at heart with some makeup on it. So check it out. It's got tinted windows already. I'm probably gonna add a visor to it. Let's go from the back. Love the Escalade. It's almost like fender flares that it comes with stock. I had to race about 3-4 other people on Marketplace and pay a little bit over the asking price to get this one, because I've been looking for a few months for a white Escalade. I probably would have been looking for this specific color combo longer, but I've only been looking for an Escalade for a few months. Thankfully, I live in California, where there's a lot of we have a variety to pick from here in California. We have a variety of vehicles to pick from. California is like the car capital, so it's a little bit harder to find rare cars in other states, but here in California you can find an abundance of rare vehicles and find the combo that you're looking for a little bit easier. So perks of living in California, you have an Escalade. Perks of living in California, you got no rust. So yeah, no rust to worry about when you live in California versus other states. Let's see how it looks in the rear. Ooh, gotta love the big tailgate. Shocks are still working, that's a good sign. I checked the Carfax on this thing and it's pretty clean. Very clean Carfax. Ooh, love the captain seats. And then you could seat 3 back here. So 3, 5. So, yeah, that's 5. That's 7-seater. Okay. Headliner's not falling. Headliner's in good condition, huh? I think these seats come out too, so you can have more room. It's got the tow package. Rear shocks are a little tired. They're the air shocks. Escalade doesn't come with leaf spring suspension. It comes with air shocks. The compressor still works. The left shock is a little blown, but I got a pair of OEM replacements on the way, so we'll get those shocks swapped out. Doors are of good quality. Seats are in good condition. Like I said, headliner's in good condition. Original Panasonic DVD player. Oh, always wanted these. I wish my parents would have bought one of these when I was young. Like I said, the seats are in good condition. We're gonna have some good times in this SUV. Soon enough, I'll have my buddies in here and we'll be going out for a night on the town. I was looking over the documentation. Door panels are clean. Bose audio. They did put a newer style Apple CarPlay stereo. You got your dual climate control, traction control, parking sensors, Cadillac's watch that's built into the dash. I don't know if this works or not, but yeah, this can all get polished out, but more importantly, it's complete and nothing is missing. So, and everything works, so we can polish this center console out later. The seats are a bit tired, but they are not ripped, and all the electronics work. That's what I was most concerned about. Sunroof does leak a little bit. You can see a little bit of condensation buildup on the headliner there. I'll go ahead and extract that with some carpet cleaner later on, and then if it ever rains in the future, I'll just tape up the sunroof to prevent any more damage. Beautiful condition Cadillac Escalade. 2000s era steering wheel. That thing is badass. Let's go look at the cluster. And of course, being that it is a California vehicle, no corrosion on the rims, so the chrome is in beautiful condition. We can almost film a whole YouTube video in the reflection of the wheel. Hey, what's up guys? So yeah, I'm rocking the blue shorts, green shirt today. Trying to film this video in one continuous take. That way I can go ahead and just upload it right after I film this and put all the necessary tags and stuff like that. But yeah, I need to get going on my upload speeds on YouTube because I need to make some progress on my channel. But this is something I had to get on my channel. Super motivated to film. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these with some a high number grit sandpaper, slightly polish them, slightly wet sand and polish these. I could re-clear them. I probably will re-clear them just so they can really get the longest longevity of a restore, and then swap these bulbs out to some LEDs, then replace this emblem because it is a bit aged and it's been hit. But what do you expect from a vehicle that is from 2005? It's a 2006 model, but obviously if you bought the 2006 model brand new, you got it in 2005, and it's 2024 now, so this vehicle has some age on it. So yeah, oh yeah, let me show you guys the driver's side condition. Like I said, the seats are a bit tired, but luckily they're not ripped. I can go ahead and drill brush this carpet and extract it when I get some time. Super dope cluster. I love these clusters. Yep, wood grain steering wheel, wood grain everything from the 2000s era. But there it is. I'll show you guys under the hood. If you guys are wondering how many miles are on the clock, 194. It's had 2 owners here in California. The first owner owned it new all the way to 2013, and the second owner owned it from 2013 all the way to 2023. So the second owner owned it for 10 years. Lots of documentation on the Carfax. It's always worth it to buy a Carfax if you're not sure. I bought this thing blindly because I had to get there quick and I don't want to miss out, and it appeared really nice, but I was scared to check the Carfax. So I went with my general skills on buying a vehicle, but after seeing the Carfax, it has a really good history. Okay. I'm thinking the rear main seal is leaking a little bit because if you look under, it might be the oil pan. I'm hoping it's the oil pan. That will be very less costly to repair than a rear main seal. Here you go, 2006 model year. This is the 6-liter Vortec Max that comes only in the Escalade. This 6-liter Vortec Max is also available on other platforms made by GM, but the specific Vortec Max that comes in the Escalade comes with a different intake manifold design, giving the Escalade a little bit more horsepower. I believe about 345 horsepower in this engine combo. All-wheel drive. It doesn't have the option for 4 low or 4 high. It's just always 4. It's just always all-wheel drive. So it's not a true 4x4, but hey, you can't complain with this much luxury. Underneath is pretty solid. Like I said, it has a mild oil leak, which I will get to later. There's a transfer case, and there's the axles. So it is an all-wheel drive. But you know, you put the right tires on here, and with the right driving experience off-road, you can probably make use of this all-wheel drive. It will definitely help out. And you can do I know some people do what's called a G80. They do like a differential modification or something like that. So hey, you can do that later if you want, but let's see. I haven't quite gotten used to this hood yet. There we go. So there it is, guys. I'm gonna keep this vehicle for a while. I'm doing the smog today and putting it under my name, and then I'm gonna throw it on the insurance. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna swap out the front tires, do some basic maintenance, do some pod lights. But I can tell you right now, we're gonna do the pod light, and then a visor, most likely a roof rack, delete these, and then do some basic maintenance and start taking this thing out off-roading to pull some of our toys and to some track events as we drive drift cars. So this is going to be good to pull some toys around and maybe pull some classic cars also. So like I said, we're all into different vehicles, and you can see I'm really into white cars. So when it comes to purchasing a vehicle, I'm always looking for white vehicles. Those are my favorite. I don't like owning black vehicles. So you can see we have the Prius in white also. That's a 1950 Chevy Deluxe. It's a custom setup with airbags in the back, bumper guards. If you're into other Chevys as well, this is a pretty clean car. It does have some from the metal being exposed, but I'm going to take this down later this week and get that resealed. Butterfly steering wheel. This is another project I'm working on right now. I'm gonna take these skirts down and then spray them white. I gotta clean this car up a little bit, but it's a 6-cylinder classic old school style 1950 Deluxe. So pretty cool car. But yep, just wanted to shoot this in one take and upload it as soon as I'm done. Here you guys go. 2006 Cadillac Escalade 6-liter. The project begins today. I can't wait to see what ideas I develop on the way, but thanks for checking this general introduction of the 06 Escalade in my ownership. So thanks for checking out this video, guys. Just wanted to shoot a quick vlog for today because I've been taking a while to upload some older content, so this is going to get uploaded right away. No heavy editing. But 2006 Escalade, super excited. Big accomplishment for me, even though these vehicles don't have a big sticker price today. It doesn't matter about the sticker price because at one point they were completely out of my reach, but now I have one, and I can't wait to start working on it and showing you guys as we update this chassis and make it more capable for off-road activities and more adventures. So it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. So yeah, once again, Thanks for checking out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you're looking for one in the market, I know before I bought this, I was watching a bunch of Cadillac Escalade videos and whatnot, just browsing them late at night. So maybe that might be you. If you haven't found your Escalade yet and you're looking for this era, definitely prefer this over the newer models. This is a much more rugged, built in Texas, and it's got that US quality. The metal and the paint and all the ingredients involved in producing this SUV are just way different from this era. And that's why I wanted the 04 era Rich. You know what I mean? There's a lot of groups and a lot of terms around that 04 Rich, and I've owned other vehicles from that era, but this is something different. And when people see this on the road, they can admire it and see what great condition it's in, and it's not something that you see every day anymore. So thanks for checking it out. I'll update you guys soon when we start doing some things to this thing. But like I said, if you're not subscribed to the channel, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to not miss out on the updates and customization we do to this Cadillac Escalade. You'll catch some of my other vehicles that I upload on my channel. Like I said, we're always messing with different cars. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. I'll catch you guys on another episode. Thanks for watching.